Can you read this one? This one? If you don't know, don't worry about it. If you watch this, you will read them right away. What if I told you that Korean consonants are always lonely? That's why they're always looking for a vowel partner. But guess what? The consonants are not happy with one partner. So sad. Last lesson we learned Korean consonants, and we met the consonants' very first partner. That was ah. But today, let's meet their other vowel partners. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. For our amazing trip, O decided to come with us. And she's gonna meet all of her partners today. Hello! I know you're such a player, so... It's ya. Like, ya! Ya means hey in Korean. So like, hey! Ya! So when you're annoyed at your friend, you can say like, ya! Now say with me. Ya. Amazing. His name is all. Like, all. All. Koreans use all the time. Like, all. In casual Korean, all means yeah or yes. So everybody, repeat after me. All. Good job. And now, let me introduce this cheesy guy. Ya. Like,
Oh,
ya.
no!
You can be like, 여보. 여보. 여보 means honey in Korean. 여보.
And if you want to sound more cheesy, you can just be like, 여보.
And now it's your turn. Say, y'all. 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 I know you didn't say it. Say it. Y'all. Y'all. Uh-oh. Stay focused. Now let's meet the fatty guy. Fatty guys. Are they so round and happy? Aww. This first dude is called O. Like, oppa. I'm pretty sure you already know what oppa means.
Oh no!
So now, repeat after me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And this guy is the easiest, I promise. His name is Yo. Like, yo. Yo. Say yo, oh, yo, oh. Honestly, you don't have to repeat this one. You already know how to say it. Let me introduce this depressing guy. His name is Ooh. 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 Actually looks like a teardrop. So we use this as a text emoji when we cry. Ooh. Now, repeat after me. Ooh. Good job. And this dude is more depressing. Far worse. His name is You. You. But why is he worse? Because he has more teardrops. You. Like extra depression. So we go you. Now repeat after me. You. You. Okay, that's enough sadness for today. Let's move on. Finally, we have two dorky guys. Imagine there's a banana peel sitting there for months. Normally, we react like, ugh, that's so disgusting. Ugh, right? You just said the name of that dorky guy. His name is And it kind of looks like a banana peel too. Like it's sitting on the table or something. Now repeat after me. So disgusting. Perfecto. Speaking of which, when you see something very gross, what do you say? We say, ew, right? Oh, look at the banana peel. Ew. That's right. That's the name of the other dorky guy's name. Like, ew. Everybody say it with me. 잘했어. Hey, look at you. Pat yourself. You should be proud of yourself. That was super fast, right? Now, what you have to do is practice. Can you read this one by yourself? Looks like a banana peel, right? And how about this one? Let me give you a hint. Korean text emoji. How about this one? 너. Good job. Wait a second. You just read Korean. That's so amazing. You're amazing. You're a genius. Oh, before you go, don't forget to download free worksheets that I made for you. I promise it'll be very useful. Make sure you practice while everything's still fresh in your brain. In the next lesson, to be continued.